What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I present to you Smart City Echo, Smart City ICO. What is Smart City? Please let me play your video and you're going to understand more about Smart City. Please watch.
In our world today, we face many challenges, from dealing with a horrible boss to paying too much for necessary services and everything in between. Are you finding it hard to pay all of your bills and still have time and money left over to enjoy your life? Do you dream about working from home and spending valuable time with your friends and family? Do you have skills but just don't know where to use them? It's time to come together and form a community designed to unite people and enhance the quality of life for all. A virtual city, a smart city. At Smart City Eco, we are looking to create an online city where people can work together to achieve many common goals. We will have a social network that connects people from around the globe and unites them into one smart platform. Smart City is proud to help our community members find work with our employment networking feature, which will allow our partners to locate talented members of our community. Our users will be able to write about themselves and their skills, while prospective employers will be able to locate the right person for the job. Imagine sitting at home, earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars for tasks such as translations of a white paper for an upcoming ICO, or getting paid to post content to social media. These are just a couple examples of the countless possibilities available on our platform. In Smart City, you will get rewarded for your time, even when you're using that time to play games. Do you find current gaming systems to be boring and not see the purpose of paying for upgrades? What if we could make your time spent in games more enjoyable and potentially rewarding? Sit back, relax, and enjoy playing games on our platform while we work out partnerships that will reward you for your time.
Now, without taking much of your time, you can see what it's all about. It's a real community where you can be able to do things for others and get reward for that. Translate for them, do some freelancing job, play games and get earned. It's going to be a nice one when people can have a city, a virtual city together, when they can be connected together. When you have a week to the end of the ICO, and it is time for you to go into the ICO. But please don't forget, I am not your financial advisor. Do what you want to do, make your own decision. It's a smart city for online economy. Now let's scroll down and let me introduce you to the team member. And you can see the white paper here. White paper in Turkish, Indonesian, English, Portuguese, French, Vietnamese. Wow, so many languages here. Just click on the one you want and you read the white paper. I mean, this guy here, Slobodan Kulum, the CEO, and Sasha Dobo. Well, I'm going to play a video that show these two persons so that you'll be able to know that these guys are real. They are not scammers. And this is the roadmap. You can see the roadmap. I love the website. Now let's go to their Twitter. They have over 2,000 followers on their Twitter. Now let me play a video from the guys. You can see them.
I am CTO of Smart City Eco. I have 8 years experience in software development, and I have 3 years experience in information security. I will be in charge of security and technological implementation into our platform.
Hello, I am CEO and the creator of Smart City Eco project. I'll be in charge for organization and team development and organization of project in general. Our idea is to build a smart city that will house several industries which we will target and implement into our smart platform. Frequently asked questions to us is why we chose Waze platform. We chose Waze platform because we plan to implement to create a platform that we have millions of transactions daily. So it's pure logic. Waves is cheap, low transactions fees, it's lightning fast, and it's reliable, and it's security conscious. It's safe to hold your.
Well, why I'm just playing the video for you to see that the two guys, I mean the CEO and member of the team members are real. They are not scammers. And of course, you notice English is not their first language. This guy, the CEO and the creator and chief technology officer. So English is not their first language. So that may be reason why you see they're taking the time to explain it in their language. If they are to explain it in their own language, I believe they are Russians. I really should be Russians. So it will be much easier. And for me, I see that this is not a scam ICU. This is a real ICU. This is a real one. So I'm going to leave the link of the website down below, and just sign up for it. You have a week to get involved with the ICU. You have a week. Um, please and please, before you go, please just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to bring more videos for you. Thank you for watching my Smart City ICU reviews. This is a nice project, and I believe if everybody works together, the team member, this is going to be huge. It's going to be nice. Thank you very much, and I love you guys. And until next time I come your way, this is ICU reviews.